tonight we're eating somewhere that I've always wanted to eat, and it's located at CityWalk, and it's right behind me here, called the Toothsome Chocolate Emporium. Now I heard we're supposed to get the chocolate bread, so we're definitely gonna do that. I heard their desserts are amazing, so we're gonna get a dessert. And I don't know what kind of food they've got, so we're gonna go see. I'm excited. Let's go check it out. Now located right next to Islands of Adventure is where you'll find it. And I definitely recommend getting a reservation. Each time we tried to just do a walk-up, we were not able to get in, but we have a reservation for 4:30, which is in about 20 minutes. So we're gonna head over that way and see if we can get in. I do love how this building looks though. It almost looks like a Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory sort of thing. And like the gears that are moving, and I've always wanted to go inside, so we'll actually get to finally. All right, let's go in, see what they say about our reservation, and see what the inside looks like. All right, here's what the inside looks like. Looks like they got a little gift shop over here, different things. Ooh, must be a dessert bar up there. And then it looks like we're gonna check in right up here. They're gonna text us when our table is ready. So in the meantime, we're gonna view some of these desserts. Here's some different prices of their truffle boxes. Wow, they have about any flavor you could ever want. Look at those. Oh, and then don't know, is it, I've heard both things. Is it macaroon, whatever, however you want to say it. Macaron? Here's one of their boxes. The birthday cake, we're just all snickerdoodle. And then caramel macchiato, and then here's some of their theming. And over here they've got more cotton candy. Oh, I'm for sure gonna try that.
Hey, orange vanilla cream.
That sounds good.
Lemon and blueberry.
Wow. And then it looks like here are some more of their strawberry shortcake dessert cookies. Wow. And then look at their gift shop. They've got some treats over on the wall as well. And then right before you go in, they have this little display of all their shakes. Look at that. They got a full cupcake right there. Also a Rice Krispie treat. That is insane. Look at all the piping and stuff on the ceiling. Now, I don't really know what all we're gonna get, but I know that we are gonna get some sort of dessert and probably come back out and try some of their stuff they had on display right there. All right, I'm sure it's gonna be a online menu only, and so we're gonna put what we get in the description of the video, or in the video itself, but we're just looking at it here, and I recommend going online and taking a look at what this place has. It looks so, what kind of good? It looks
stinking good.
So stinking good. Now on the other side of like the gift shop area, got this, which is pretty cool. And then I think you can just come over here if you want like a milkshake or a sundae and order that here, not actually go in the restaurant. And then you can pick it up and eat it over here. Just looking at some of their gifts, and you can buy these hats. This is $25. I don't think this one's for sale. That one's more of a display. You can buy their shirts. These hats are for sale. More shirts. And then they've got, oh, select mannequin clothing is available for purchase. So you can buy certain stuff. Our sour watermelon cotton candy, rainbow swirl cotton candy, birthday cake cotton candy. In the video where we went to Ford's Garage, we walked down by Margaritaville Resort. There was a place in there that had a bunch of different flavors of cotton candy. So I'll put that video in the corner and in the description. And I was told over here, if I zoom in, top row is chocolate bacon. Let's look at that. Look at that chocolate bacon. Look at those cookies and cream shots. And like I said earlier, they've got this whole wall of candy that you can get it by the pound or also fourth a pound. Some more cotton candy flavors. Root beer, that'd be interesting to try. May have to try that. and then made this look like cotton candy. And to finish out the gift shop over here at the far right, all these figures are for sale. Very excited, just got a text saying our table is ready. So now we get to actually see the inside where you sit and enjoy some delicious sounding food.
What do they wrap?
Looks like they've got some people here.
Oh, it's a style of music. How does it go? I don't think he knows how to do the rapping. Not sure. Cheesecake! Fantastic.
All right, we're heading up to the second floor, so this should be exciting. Look at the theming they've got here. Lights. And then this one, whoa, look at these. Looks like the chocolate's going. Making some chocolate. And then down here, same sort of theme. They've got a big bar and the booths. I really like these screens, those are cool. Got some robots monitoring the making of chocolate on the screen. For a drink, I got it's an alcoholic drink. It's coffee, chocolate, banana. All right, let's give this a try. Tastes like chocolate, coffee, and banana. That's good. At first, you really taste the banana. Then it goes chocolate. Then it just burns. Then it burns. But I do taste the coffee at the end. Coffee aftertaste. Burning coffee aftertaste. Here is the, what is it, chocolate almond bread? And some sort of butter. I don't know. You can smell the chocolate. Here goes the bread.
Shake it down a little chocolate coffee, banana.
I think all around the table, we're gonna say it's stinking good. That is some of the best bread I've had. Very good. She just is eating the butter plain, and what kind of butter is it?
Caramel butter.
Caramel butter. Let's go ahead and
Delicious.
yeah, let's all serve up the let's all serve up the butter.
Here, I'll put a little on your plate.
Thank you.
So by that time.
Thumbs up from everybody on the butter. We tried it.
Stinking good.
Stinking, you good? All right, I don't know if you can see this, but I'm just gonna actually eat the butter.
I haven't even.
Oh, very good butter. I don't know if you can see in the middle here, but they're chocolate chips right there. And the butter is completely gone. Wow. Something you noticed though was everything's like got a dark chocolate theme to it, which is really cool. Darker theme, and then you got the dark napkins. Match the chocolate bread. And what else is dark? Oh, the Coke matches. And in case you didn't know that we like the bread, this is round 2. And I'm gonna fight for this, I think. All right, we're sharing the teriyaki glazed salmon, the bunch of vegetables, jasmine rice. These look just amazing, and those are the what, kettle nachos? And then kettle chip nachos. And then you got the vegetable quiche? Nope.
Broccoli cheese quiche, and it comes with a side salad.
Broccoli cheese quiche with a side salad and some
More fruit.
fruit compote.
But nothing
That
matters.
look,
Nothing matters but the bread.
look, I'm what was that?
Nothing really matters but the bread.
I'm not so sure we're not gonna do round 3 on the bread. So I stole a kettle chip nacho, we're gonna try it. That's stinking good. There's no other word to describe all the stuff we're eating besides stinking good. I didn't even know this, but it has pulled pork. Look at that. Wow. Good grief. All right, I'm gonna take a horn of this quiche. Big old horn of this quiche. Now for the quiche. What is that on top? You don't know? some good quiche.
Yeah, it's different.
Good
I don't
quiche.
know what that is on top.
That's a different kind of batter.
I like the quiche.
These are apparently sweet peppers. Yeah. And now for the teriyaki.
Oh my.
Oh, fumbling
Lemon
it. Glazed salmon. Oh yeah. They gave us a dessert menu, and here is all the milkshakes. May contain nuts, peanut butter ice cream, peanut brittle, Reese's peanut butter cups, chocolate peanut butter pie, fresh whipped cream, peanut butter sauce topped with Reese's pieces. And then I also am looking at this potted chocolate cream. Creamy chocolate pudding served in a copper pan. Okay, here is the may contain nuts. 2 Reese's pieces, the peanut butter pie, peanut brittle, ton of ice cream underneath, hand size comparison. Look at that. And then here's our cute little chocolate pudding. Not a bad size there. It may weigh a pound. I'm not even joking.
Try the copper pan.
Well, we don't know. It could be the ice cream. I'm a child at heart, so chocolate
I
pudding.
can't believe a Sunday looks like that.
Chocolate pudding first. There we go. Woo! That is some rich chocolate pudding, is it not?
Yeah.
It almost
you gotta
tastes-
mix it with the whipped cream.
Yeah. It tastes like
Dark chocolate.
dark, hot, almost like a hot
Like
chocolate
a
drink that's not
baker's-
stirred.
The baker's
Good though. Very rich, and I'm full. Now for the ginormous sundae that's got all this, that brittle I can't get right now.
Normal day, I'd be fighting people for the Reese's. I'm
Peanut,
hoping someone
the little
takes it.
Reese's pieces too in there. Peanut butter pie.
Oh my.
Oh.
God.
And it is
Wasn't it
good.
Wasn't it peanut butter flavored ice cream? Yeah. Let me try it.
It's stinking good.
Yeah, the ice cream is peanut flavored.
Oh my gosh. Put a little of that more cream
Stinking,
on it.
stinking good.
Oh yeah, that's great.
Did you just try the ice cream?
I've tried everything. You know, this tastes
Got
like
the pie?
No, I haven't got the pie yet.
this
Look,
tastes
ice
like
cream.
the frozen peanut butter pie I make.
Watch this.
Mmm.
Look at that. Nice.
Current status right now. Whoa.
That's why you got a straw.
Now for the peanut brittle.
It's good.
Yeah, good. Very good. And you're still working, but look what's left of our dessert. Any more, and I think we're gonna be blowing some chunks.
Like the worst thing you can say in a food review restaurant review.
Not because it's bad, because we ate way too much food. Now as we're walking back downstairs, we're stuffed, like absolutely stuffed. But we are gonna stop back in the little gift shop and I think get a few little treats for later. Not right now, but a few little treats for later. And they still have these people out front. That's hilarious. Got the robot.
How could you turn a robot
And then her as well. Now she's gonna get some what, macarons?
However you say it.
However you say it, I think that's how you say it. And then probably some of the, what were the espresso beans, maybe over there. And then I think I'm gonna have to get the root beer cotton candy and give that a try. For sure, it's gonna have to be the cotton candy. What were the prices here? We've got 6 and 12. 6-piece box. We're gonna have to find 6 of them that we want. I believe another one I just found that I'm gonna have to get is this blackberry tea. What the world? So far I'm gonna do cotton candy, blackberry tea, and possibly orange vanilla, but I'm not sure yet. So to confirm, they do have espresso beans right there. Are those the kind?
Cocoa espresso beans.
Oh, cocoa espresso beans. You want some of those?
Yeah.
Okay. That's actually really cool. Look at the collectible. That's pretty neat. And then I know over here was the root beer cotton candy. Gonna go ahead and grab one of those. And then I think we'll have to get the 6-piece macarons. All right, we're gonna hold off on the espresso beans, but we are gonna get some root beer cotton candy and then the 6-pack of macarons, if that's how you say it. All right, could we please get 1 cotton candy, 1 blackberry tea. I don't know if I will yet. What'd you say? And then a snickerdoodle. 3. Caramel macchiato. And wait on the last one. Hold on. And then what would you say is your favorite?
My favorite is salted caramel, and then I like lemon blueberry and tiramisu. It's up to you.
You want to? You can just surprise us. How's that?
Sure. I'll grab your tiramisu. They're always good.
Perfect. And then the tiramisu.
Great. Let me give you a number.
All right. Thank you.
You can take this up to the register. It's going to be waiting right back here for you.
All right. Perfect. Take our number up to the register and pay for this, and then it's waiting right there for us. All right, that was our trip out to the Toothsome Chocolate Emporium here at Universal Orlando Resort at CityWalk. I am so thankful we finally got to try this place. It was so stinking good that it is probably one of our top 5 restaurants in Florida. I mean, it was up there. That chocolate bread was some of the best I've ever had before. Got a little extra treats here to try when we get home, and the food was amazing, the dessert was amazing. I'm sure everything they have there is amazing. We will for sure be back and just keep trying everything on their menu, but we are stuffed, we are full, we are tired. My parents loved it, Timber loved it, I loved it. Everything was just so stinking good. But again, I think we're having a sugar coma and it's time to go home. Maybe go to sleep right when we get home, I don't know. But all in all, very good place. I would definitely try that. I recommend it. 2 thumbs up. But anyway, that does it for tonight. Thanks for watching.